Assalamualaikum and greeting to everyone. Today my group will present about the role of organizational communication in employer behavior. Before I'm starting our presentation, this is our group member, Amir Muhammad Khan, Muhammad Shazmi bin Samjan, Muhammad Shukri bin Roslan, and also Haikal Iskandar. Introduction. Communication is a key element in organizational behavior because it shapes how employees understand their roles, responsibility, and expectation within an organization. Based on study, communication is not only about delivering instruction but also influencing employer attitude, trust, and motivations. Next, about effective communication helps employees perform better by providing clear direction and reducing uncertainty in the workplace. It also plays an important role in building positive relationship between employees and management. On the other hand, poor communication can lead to misunderstanding, low morale, and workplace conflict, which negatively affect employer performance and organizational outcome.
Hello, my name is Amir Muhammad Khan bin Iqbal Khan. My student ID number is 2024-643994. Now, I will be talking about the problem in organizations and how they affect employee behavior. Many organizations face communication challenges that influence how employees behave at work. One key issue is limited two-way and upward communication, where employees are not given enough opportunities to share ideas or feedback with management. This can make employees feel unheard and less motivated. Another problem is the lack of feedback opportunities. Without feedback, employees may be unsure about their performance and expectation, leading to low confidence and disengaged behavior. As a result, poor communication has a negative impact on employee engagement and teamwork. Employees may become less cooperative, less committed, and less willing to work effectively with others, which can affect overall performance. Now, for the next slide, the importance of organizational communication in shaping employee behavior. Organizational communication is more than informing delivery. It plays a key role in influencing how employees think and behave. Effective communication acts as a behavioral and motivational tool, helping employees stay focused, motivated, and aligned with organizational goals. It also helps build trust, engagement, and job satisfaction. When employees feel informed and valued, they are more likely to show positive behaviors such as cooperation and commitment. Communication is especially important during change and uncertainty, as clear communication reduces confusion and resistance and encourage positive employee behavior.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shukri bin Roslan, student number 2024-681854. For my part, I will be explaining the objectives of our study. Our first objective is to examine the role of organizational communication, specifically how communication within a company affects three key areas, which are employee performance, job satisfaction, and workplace relationships. In simple terms, we want to understand how the flow of information in an organization can influence how well employees work, how satisfied they feel in their job, and how they interact with one another. When communication is clear, positive, and consistent, it helps create a productive and supportive work environment. However, when communication is unclear, late, or inconsistent, it can lead to misunderstandings and low performance. Next, our study also aims to understand how leadership communication shapes employee behavior. This means we focus on how leaders communicate, whether they provide clear instructions, offer guidance, give feedback, or motivate the team. The way leaders communicate can influence the attitude, motivation, and overall behavior of employees. Effective leadership communication can inspire employees to work better, collaborate more, and stay committed to the organization.
Next is impact on employee behavior. Effective organizational communication has a direct impact on employee behavior. The findings show that clear and timely communication increase employees' motivation and improve task efficiency as employees clearly understand what is expected of them. Open communication also contribute to higher job satisfaction because employees feel valued and heard, especially when they are given opportunity to provide feedback. In addition, constructive feedback from leader helps strengthen workplace relationship by reducing misunderstanding and improving teamwork. When the communication is transparent, consistent, it builds trust, which encourages positive employer behavior and support a productive work environment.
Hello, my name is Haikal Iskandar bin Arman. Today I will discuss the discussion and conclusion of this study. This study by Gigliotti and Alvarez Robinson 2025 highlight the importance of leadership communication in building crisis readiness and organizational resilience, especially in higher education. The study shows that when leaders communicate clearly and strategically during a crisis, they help to build trust, reduce uncertainty, and improve the organization's ability to adapt. These findings are supported by organizational behavior theories such as transformational leadership theory and sense-making theory. Transformational leaders focus on a shared vision and inspire members to see challenge as opportunities for growth. Sense-making theory explains how leaders use stories and message known as resilience narrative to help employees understand disruption and stay focused during uncertain time. This study also explained that resilience-oriented communication is not only reactive but proactive. By reinforcing mission, values, transparency, and empathy, leaders create psychological safety where employees feel comfortable sharing ideas and concern during a crisis. In conclusion, effective leadership communication plays a key role in strengthening both crisis readiness and resilience. Organizations that invest in strong communication, emotional intelligence, and crisis leadership skills are better prepared to face future challenges, adapt to change, and perform well in uncertain environment. Thank you.